If you want to learn how to create 2D looking 3D characters with flashy animations, I'll show you every step of the process in my class, Making Stylized 3D Animation from Scratch. Hello, I'm Joy of 3D, a freelance 3D artist and animator. I'll be taking you step by step through the process of creating 3D character models and preparing them for animation. This includes lessons on topology, shading, rigging, and using constraints and shape keys. I'll show you how to use it to build a flashy dynamic 3D animation that has the wow factor of a traditional Sakuga animation. Learn the most crucial skill in all of 3D art, designing your very own workflow. I'll show you how to create an intentional, repeatable, and reliable workflow that will streamline any project you undertake. I'll be teaching a very niche but exciting kind of animation with a basis in fundamental organizational skills. I'm Joy of 3D, a 3D artist, and I'll be waiting for you at Coloso.